Hello guys, welcome to the learning world of robotics with Robonence. Today we are covering a very interesting project that is Kaleidoscope. What Kaleidoscope is basically, in Kaleidoscope we are arranging two or more than two mirrors in different angles so that when a light gets incident on any one mirror, it gets reflected to other mirror and this phenomena keeps on going. From this we create a different multiple patterns of a single object or multiple object in the kaleidoscope. In this project, basic principle used is multiple reflection. Multiple reflection is simply a phenomena in which a single image gets multiplied or multiple times get reflected, and this is done by placing simply the mirrors at a different angle. So what are the things required to make this project is, the first thing, for this we require a cutout of kaleidoscope. Second thing, we require multiple mirrors. I'm using 3 mirrors in this project. And the last thing, any object, I'm using a simple LED so that this LED gets reflected. So now what we have to do this, first we have to cut the layout of this kaleidoscope. Already we have marked, that is, we have to cut all the white part of kaleidoscope, that is this one and this one. So first we have to cut the white part of this layout. I have already done it like this. So you have to make a cutout like this. At the end, after making it, we will cut this white layout. Okay. So what we have to do is, we have to place 3 different mirrors on the back side of each color. That is, behind this red part, I'll place 1 mirror. Behind this yellow mirror, and you have to stick these mirrors with the help of a tape. So I am also using a tape. So you have to stick 1 mirror to the back side of 1 color. Again, you have to repeat the same with second mirror. That is, I'm pasting this mirror, and we have to do the same thing with the third mirror. So my third mirror is also pasted. As you can see, these mirrors are covered by a thin polythene film so that it won't get scratches. So for the perfect result, you have to remove these polythenes and you have to remove these films for all the mirrors. Now what we have to do, we have to make a triangle from this mirror and you have to paste the topmost part. Even you have to paste the back part in such a manner that all these things get firmly pasted and this closed triangle looks, all these things gets firmly pasted. See, I have already completed this, that is, this is the end product of kaleidoscope, and when I insert any object in it, you can see the same object will get multiple reflections, that is, you can see multiple images of this same LED.